डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। वो नहीं जा पाया, ना मैं जा पाई। He could not go, neither could I. He could not go, neither could I. मैं ना दिल्ली जाऊंगी ना मुंबई। I will neither go to Delhi nor Mumbai. I will neither go to Delhi nor Mumbai. तुम आते हो, वो भी आता है। You come, so does he. You come, so does he. मैंने पूछा, उसने भी। I asked, so did she. I asked, so did she. वो ये कर पाया, मैं भी। He could do it, so could I. He could do it, so could I. मैं तुम्हें बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, पापा भी करते हैं। I love you so much, so does dad. I love you so much, so does dad. अगर मैं जाती तो उससे मिलती। If I went, I would meet him. If I went, I would meet him. अगर उसने देखा होता तो वो मुझे भी बताता। If he saw, he would also tell me. If he saw, he would also tell me. अगर पापा घर पर होते तो वो मुझे बता चुके होते। If dad was at home, he would not let me go. If dad was at home, he would not let me go. अगर मैं गई तो उससे मिलूंगी। If I go, I will meet him. If I go, I will meet him. अगर वो नहीं आएगा तो मैं नहीं आऊंगी। If he does not come, I will not come. If he does not come, I will not come. मैं मेहनत करूंगी वरना मैं फेल हो जाऊंगी। I will work hard, otherwise I will fail. I will work hard, otherwise I will fail. मैं मेहनत करूंगी ताकि मैं पास हो जाऊं। I will work hard so that I pass. I will work hard so that I pass. मेरे पास ही रहो ताकि मैं बोर ना हूं। Be with me so that I don't feel bored. Be with me so that I don't feel bored. क्या तुमने सुना जो मैंने कहा? Did you hear what I said? Did you hear what I said? क्या तुम बता सकते हो जिस तरह से तुम वहां पहुंचे? Can you tell me how you reached there? Can you tell me how you reached there? जो मेरे साथ था मेरा दोस्त है। Who was with me is my friend. Who was with me is my friend. पेन जो मेरे पास था तुम्हारा नहीं है। Pen that I had is not yours. Pen that I had is not yours. ये वो घर है जिसकी छत कमजोर है। This is the house, the roof of which is weak. This is the house, the roof of which is weak. यही बात तो मैं कह रही थी। That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. यही तो तुम उसे समझा रहे थे। That's what you were making him understand. That's what you were making him understand. मैं वहीं तो जा रही हूँ। That's where I am going. That's where I am going. वो उसी जगह तो खड़ा था। That's where he was standing. That's where he was standing. हम यहीं तो मिले थे उस दिन। That's where we had met that day. That's where we had met that day. मैंने ऐसे ही तो सीखा। That's how I learned. That's how I learned. उसने इसी तरह बात की। That's how he spoke. That's how he spoke. मैं उसी वक्त पहुंच गई। That's when I reached. That's when I reached. जब पापा आए उसी वक्त मम्मी भी आ गईं। When dad came, that's when even mom turned up. When dad came, that's when even mom turned up. मैंने उसी को तो डांटा था। That's whom I had scolded. That's whom I had scolded. मैंने इसी पर तो किताब रखी थी. That's which I had kept the book on. That's which I had kept the book on. मैंने उसी लड़के को तो डांटा था. That's the boy I had scolded. That's the boy I had scolded. मैंने इसी टेबल पर तो किताब रखी थी. That's the table on which I had kept the book. That's the table on which I had kept the book. मैं अभी भी पढ़ रही हूँ. I am still studying. I am still studying. क्या राम अभी भी खेलता है? Does Ram still play? Does Ram still play? वो आज भी मुझसे मिलता है. He still meets me. He still meets me. मैं चलती हुई पढ़ रही हूँ. I am studying while walking. I am studying while walking. क्या राम पढ़ते हुए खाना खाता है? Does Ram eat the food while studying? Does Ram eat the food while studying? वो मुझसे बात करते हुए तुम्हें देख रहा था. He was watching you while talking to me. He was watching you while talking to me. मैं पहुंची ही थी कि वो आ गए. No sooner had I reached than they came. No sooner had I reached than they came. हम स्टेशन पहुंचे ही थे कि ट्रेन चल दी. No sooner had we reached the station than the train left. No sooner had we reached the station than the train left. हम सोए ही थे कि बारिश आ गई. No sooner had we slept than it started raining. No sooner had we slept than it started raining. मैंने अभी तक उसे नहीं देखा है. I have not seen her yet. I have not seen her yet. अभी तक का स्कोर क्या हुआ है? What is the score till now? What is the score till now? जब तक मैं नहीं आती तुम मत जाना. Till the time I don't come, you don't go. Till the time I don't come, you don't go. जब तक वो नहीं आएगा हम नहीं जाएंगे. Till he does not come, we will not go. Till he does not come, we will not go. हम नहीं खाएंगे जब तक राम नहीं आएगा. We will not eat till Ram does not come. We will not eat till Ram does not come. जब तक वो आया मैं जा चुकी थी. By the time he came, I had left. By the time he came, I had left. जब तक तुम मेरे साथ हो मुझे परवाह नहीं. As long as you are with me, I don't care. As long as you are with me, I don't care. चाहे वो आए या ना आए मैं तो जाऊंगी. Whether he comes or not, I will go. Whether he comes or not, I will go. चाहे वो खेले या ना खेले तुम्हें खेलना चाहिए. Whether he plays or not, you should play. Whether he plays or not, you should play. मैं कह नहीं सकती कि वो खेलेगी या नहीं. I can't say whether she will play or not. I can't say whether she will play or not. वो नहीं जानता था कि लोग आएंगे भी या नहीं. He did not know whether people will come or not. He did not know whether people will come or not. मेरे पास 10 रुपए हैं जबकि तुम्हारे पास 50. I have rupees 10 whereas you have 50. I have rupees 10 whereas you have 50. उसने भी नहीं चाहा. Even he did not want. Even he did not want. मैंने ना कभी किया ना करने की सोच सकती हूँ. Neither I did nor I can ever think to do. Neither I did nor I can ever think to do. चाहे वो बैठे या ना बैठे, मैं तो जरूर बैठूंगी. Whether he sits or not, I must sit. Whether he sits or not, I must sit. हमें पढ़ने तक नहीं दिया गया था. We were not even let study. We were not even let study. मेरी बात किसी ने नहीं सुनी. Nobody listened to me. Nobody listened to me. वो भी हमें देखता रहा. Even he kept on watching us. Even he kept on watching us. क्या वो जानता था कि मैं कौन हूं? Did he know who I was? Did he know who I was? मैं तुम्हें यही तो समझा रही हूं. That's what I am making you understand. That's what I am making you understand. हम वहीं पर तो खड़े होकर पढ़ रहे थे. That's where we were standing and studying. That's where we were standing and studying. उसने मुझे सिखाया था कि लड़ते कैसे हैं. He had taught me how to fight. He had taught me how to fight. वो अंग्रेजी ही नहीं, पंजाबी भी बोलना जानता है. He not only knows English but also Punjabi. He not only knows English but also Punjabi. हम चलते हैं वरना हमें देर हो सकती है. Let's go now, otherwise we may be late. Let's go now, otherwise we may be late. वो पढ़ने के लिए नहीं आया ताकि उसे डांट ना पड़े. He did not come to study so that he was not scolded. He did not come to study so that he was not scolded. मैं कह नहीं सकती कि वो कब तक आएगा. I can't say until when he will come. I can't say until when he will come. मैं खेलने की शौकीन हूँ. I am fond of playing. I am fond of playing. इसे आसानी से खत्म नहीं किया जा सकता. It can't be eradicated easily. It can't be eradicated easily. हम सच को ज्यादा देर तक छिपा नहीं सकते. We can't conceal the truth for a long. We can't conceal the truth for a long. मैंने तुरंत उसका विरोध किया. I retaliated immediately. I retaliated immediately. इस शहर में इंग्लिश काफी बोली जाती है. English speaking is prevalent in this city. English speaking is prevalent in this city. उसकी बातों ने मुझे हिम्मत दी. His words strengthened me. His words strengthened me. उसने बस थोड़ी देर काम किया. He worked just for a while. He worked just for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए मेरे साथ रहो. Stay with me for a while. Stay with me for a while. यहाँ सिगरेट पीने वाले काफी हैं. Cigarette smoking is prevalent here. Cigarette smoking is prevalent here. उसने मुझे दुखी कर दिया. He saddened me. He saddened me. इस दवाई ने मेरा दर्द कम कर दिया. This medicine lessened my pain. This medicine lessened my pain. वो काफी समय से यहाँ है. He has been here for a long. He has been here for a long. वो मेरे पीछे पीछे फिर रहा है. He is running after me. He is running after me. मुझे उसके बारे में कल ही पता चला. I got to know about her yesterday itself. I got to know about her yesterday itself. निराशावादी मत बनिए. Don't be pessimistic. Don't be pessimistic. आशावादी बनिए. Be optimistic. Be optimistic. घुटने के बल मत चलो. Don't drag your knees. Don't drag your knees. अपने पैरों को घसीटो मत. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. मैंने ये इंसानियत के नाते किया है। I will just use him for my sake. I will just use him for my sake. ये सब उसकी चाल है तुम्हें फंसाने की। This is all his conspiracy to trap you. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. कुर्सी को घसीटो मत। Don't drag the chair. Don't drag the chair. झगड़ा मत करो। Don't make a quarrel. Don't make a quarrel. हल्ला मत करो। Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. अपनी उंगली मुंह में मत डालो। Don't put your finger into your mouth. Don't put your finger into your mouth. अपना होमवर्क पूरा करो। Complete your homework. Complete your homework. अपने कपड़े बदल लो। Change your clothes. Change your clothes. कार्टून देखना बंद करो। Stop watching cartoon. Stop watching cartoon. क्या आप एक जगह पर नहीं बैठ सकते? Can't you sit still at one place? Can't you sit still at one place? अपना खाना जल्दी खत्म करो। Finish your food quickly. Finish your food quickly. मेरे मोबाइल को मत छेड़ो। Don't touch my mobile. Don't touch my mobile. ये आपकी सेहत के लिए अच्छा है। It is good for your health. It is good for your health. रोने की हिम्मत भी मत करना। Don't dare to weep. Don't dare to weep. मैं ऑफिस में नहीं हूँ। I am not in office. I am not in office. मैं मजे कर रही हूँ। I am having fun. I am having fun. मैं खाना खा रही हूँ। I am taking food. I am taking food. मैं बोर हो रही हूँ। I am getting bored. I am getting bored. मैं ऑफिस के लिए निकल रही हूँ। I am leaving for office. I am leaving for office. गिलास को उल्टा कर दो। Turn the glass upside down. Turn the glass upside down. वो प्रशंसा के लायक है। He is praiseworthy. He is praiseworthy. वो एक आध दिन में आएगी। She will come in a day or so. She will come in a day or so. वो रास्ते में है। She is on the way. She is on the way. दिल पे मत लो। Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. मिशन पूरा हुआ। Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. आज कपकपाती ठंड है। It's shivering cold today. It's shivering cold today. आज तपतपाती गर्मी है। It's blistering heat today. It's blistering heat today. तुम्हारे दिल में कुछ तो है। Something is there in your heart. Something is there in your heart. बिल्कुल चिंता मत करो। Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. मेरा इंतजार करना। Wait for me. Wait for me. आप किसे प्यार करते हो? Whom do you love? Whom do you love? इसके बारे में सोचो। Think about it. Think about it. कितने घमंडी हो आप? How arrogant you are. How arrogant you are. ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? आज कितनी तारीख है? What is the date today? What is the date today? मुझे कल फोन करिएगा। Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I don't think so. I don't think so. समझ आया? Got it. Got it. समझ आ गया? I got it. I got it. बहुत अच्छा। Too good. Too good. बहुत बुरा। Too bad. Too bad. आप थके हुए लग रहे हो। You are looking tired. You are looking tired. खुद से प्यार करो। लव योर सेल्फ, लव योर सेल्फ। ये पाप है, इट्स आ सिन, इट्स आ सिन। समय किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता, टाइम वेट्स फॉर नन, टाइम वेट्स फॉर नन। क्या आपको कुछ चाहिए? डू यू नीड समथिंग, डू यू नीड समथिंग। क्या आपको ये चाहिए? डू यू नीड इट, डू यू नीड इट। उसे मेरी जरूरत पड़ सकती है, शी माइट नीड मी, शी माइट नीड मी। उसी तरह का कुछ, समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट। कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो गलत है, समथिंग इज रॉन्ग समवेयर, समथिंग इज रॉन्ग समवेयर।